With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is, the time period of simple pendulum inside a stationary lift is t. If the lift start accelerating upward with acceleration of g by 2, then the new time period of simple pendulum will be. So here in first condition it is written that there is a simple pendulum and it is inside a stationary lift. That means lift is not moving neither upward nor downward, it is stationary. Its acceleration is 0. So here the time period can be written as 2 pi under root L upon G. Assume this to be first equation. Now in second condition it is written that inside the lift the simple pendulum is present and the lift is moving upward with acceleration g by 2. So the bob will experience this acceleration downwards in the form of pseudo force, and now the net acceleration will be g plus g by 2. That means it will be 3g by 2. So the new time period will come out to be t dash will be equals to 2 pi under root L upon G, and here G will be A net, which will be equal to 3G by 2. Now we further solve it and write it as T dash will be equal to 2 pi under root 2 by 3 root L by G. That can also be written as T dash will be equal to under root 2 by 3 into T, which means that the correct option of this question will be option number 2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.